Meaning of greaseproof paper.
Greaseproof paper.
Greaseproof paper.
Greaseproof paper.
Greaseproof paper. Greaseproof paper is a type of paper that is resistant to oil and grease, making it ideal for food packaging and cooking applications. It is commonly used in baking to line cake tins and prevent cakes from sticking to the tin while also preventing the absorption of excess fat by the baked goods. The paper is made from wood pulp that has been treated with a specialized coating, which gives it the ability to resist grease and moisture. Greaseproof paper is widely available and is an essential item in any kitchen or bakery.